channel. Today we're going to be working on the VR6 build. I have already painted and prepped the block for reassembly. I have the head over on the bench right now. I've already installed the valve guide seals, the retainer springs, and the lifters. I have the cams in place with the cam caps on. They need to be torqued, and the cam bridge installed along with the VVT gears, which we're going to be doing that today. Whenever you get done snugging them down, now you're going to go around and torque them. The instructions say to torque to 44 inch-pounds plus an eighth of a turn. All that done, torque down and get your eighth of a turn in. See how well everything rotates. Make sure there's no binding. Alright, it seems like everything is rotating freely. There's no binding. So now we're going to put the cams into time. So when you're doing a 24 valve, cylinders 1 and 2 cams are supposed to be facing upward at a slight angle towards each other. See how these cam lobes are facing at a slight angle towards each other? That's how you know when the cams are in time, and the plate will slide in to these grooves on the back side of the camshaft.